My name is Sachin Behera. I am from Odisha, a state, nobody knows, in India. And my age is 25-year old. I'm having a lot of limiting beliefs that whether this e-com thing is scam, whether people will buy from my store or not, whether whether the product which I am selling, I'm gonna sell, will people buy that or not? These are my limiting beliefs. After going for Andy's course, all of them were like nothing. It was the negative thoughts which are coming into my head and which are bullshit. It this thing, ecom thing works. People are not. It's not a scammy business. You can make a lot of money out of this. I chose to work with Andy because he's a genuine guy. I've seen he is putting a lot of value over internet for free. It's like nobody's doing this thing. I've seen a lot of YouTubers, they are just showing the 100k 200k, they're not showing anything, any proof or something. They are like and they are not even revealing that 30k series of Andy, the perfect thing which he can do. Anybody after seeing that 30k series can start his own business. It was a mini course by Andy on his YouTube, which is like insane. I watched that, and the genuinity and the transparency which I got from Andy is like everything, which is the main thing which drive me through Andy. I've liked three things that the blueprint first, the blueprint, the strategy which Andy is giving is working 100% for me. 100% I can say. Second thing, you don't have to overthink on spends, on ads, how much you need to spend, how much you need to how much ad set you need to take care of, which is like a very important question for everybody, which you don't need to think of after getting into Andy's course. And third, yeah, that's it. After working with Andy, there is, for the first week, I was fumbling with the profits. On some day, it was like negative. On some day, it was positive. But overall, I was making money. But now, after getting so much of value and after learning, after 62 days, it's not even a single day I'm in negative. I am in profit. I am making a lot of money now. The revenue is not that high, but because of the strategy and KPIs, I'm making a lot of money in that small revenue. I've made 23k and 23k in revenue, and the profit is like 6 to 7 k, which is like insane for me. I can never even thought of. After joining Andy and after like 62 days, I can say one thing, that I never have to think about money. Money is rolling into my pocket each and every day, and I am making a lot of money. Second, the mindset I got from Andy, I mean, it's insane. I never thought of buying new cars. A shiny object syndrome is not there. I'm only focusing on building my own career. I can never thought of, I wanted to settle with a salary. Now I am thinking of making my own business, building my own thing, building my own empire. The mindset is the perfect thing which Andy has given me. Changed totally. It changed 100% of my life. I got my first sale within 24 hours. After spending like 15 to 20 days, I was getting consistent results. Consistency is like 100%. I've never lost even a single dollar. I've joined on 20th, but I launched my first product on 30th because I need to learn everything. I need to go through those videos. So it took me like 10 days to, settle down everything and, get everything for me to launch. So it's like 69 days for me. This guy is genuine. This guy is going to give you so much of value. This guy is going to change your mindset 100%. I'm not talking about money. You'll get a lot of success in every aspect. Life, mindset, how to handle your life, how to handle your finances. Everything will be sorted after this, I can say, because a lot of people are in the group which are helping me out, and Andy is also helping me out. So this is it. The main concern was like the money, obviously, because it's a lot of money. $850 is a lot of money in our country. It's like 60 70k, which is 2 month worth of salary. After watching your videos after getting a lot of value, I was like, no, it's not a lot of money. I can make a lot out of, lot more than this just by joining in. It's not something which is like pre-planned videos or saved videos you're gonna get. It's like Andy is gonna help you in each and every aspect. Apart from that, there is a group, mastermind group, which is gonna help you in each and every point. If you want any question in your head, if anything comes in your head, you can ask them and you'll find an answer each and every time. It's not a course, it's a mentorship. Actually, from my side, I can say it's a mentorship for me. Each and every day, he's updating the course. Like we are getting more and more value with that same price we have paid, and on every week we are getting 15 to 20 more videos with updated on that course. Which is insane. Nobody is doing that. Every YouTuber is doing, every course seller is doing that. They have a bunch of 20 to 30 videos. They are just doing what is, they are just selling and they are gone. They are vanished. They won't even reply to your mail. But Andy is in constant contact with each and every member, and he is upgrading his course each and every day. You have to pay just once, and the value you'll get is insane. Every week you'll get more and more and more value for that same amount of money, which is insane.